In this video, we delve into the TalkToMe app from PickMyLink. This app is designed for influencers, creators, or experts whose followers wish to engage in conversation or expert sessions. It's a great opportunity for monetization, which is why TalkToMe was developed. We'll guide you through the process of setting up and configuring the TalkToMe app on your public profile at PickMyLink. To begin, navigate to the app section, where you'll find a list of all available apps. Scroll down until you find TalkToMe. Click to open it, and you'll see a list of all your bookings. This overview includes the number of bookings received, sessions completed, and reviews received. Before we go deeper, let's walk through how to set up and configure your meetings. Upon opening the TalkToMe app, go to Calendar Settings. Here, ensure that you've set up all your availability slots. You can create new slots for your followers to book, and remove any slots that you don't wish to offer or are unavailable. A crucial step in this process is connecting your Google Calendar and Google Meet. You can do this by clicking on Click to Connect, which will redirect you to link your profile with PickMyLink. Once you've connected your Google Calendar account, you'll see different requests. We only need permissions to view and edit your calendar events, and to edit or permanently delete calendar events. To grant these permissions, simply click Allow. After you've connected your calendar to PickMyLink, the next step is to create different meetings so that people can book your slots. We've already set up one meeting titled Influencer Marketing Strategy Consulting. If you wish to make any changes, feel free to edit the service and update the information as needed. Begin by creating a new meeting. Click on the Create New Meeting button. You'll need to provide a title for the session. For instance, if the session is about how to use PickMyLink, title it as such. A short description, such as Learn about monetizing using PickMyLink, is also required. Moreover, a detailed description of what your followers can expect from the session is needed. For this demonstration, we'll use the same content for both the short and detailed descriptions. You can also upload an introductory video for the session. If you have a brief recorded video, your followers can watch it to get a sense of what to expect from the session. To upload a video, click on Choose a File. Next, set the duration for the session. This could be 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours, depending on your needs. You can choose to offer the session for free or monetize it. If you choose to charge for the session, you can set the price as you see fit. For this demonstration, we'll set the price at $100. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Create Meeting, and the meeting will be listed on your public profile. To use this feature, simply open up your public profile. For example, my profile is PickMyLink Chak Prabhupadas, and you can interact with me there. If I refresh this page, you will see the meetings I've created in the backend. These are available for my followers to book sessions. As you can see, we've created a session named Influencer Marketing Strategy on One Consulting, along with a demo session that you've just viewed. Upon opening a session, our followers can view all the details we've added for the session, including what they can expect from it. They can then select a date and time that works best for them and choose their own time zone. After confirming their details, they'll be prompted to provide their name, email, and phone number. They'll see the cost of the session and can proceed to book session, which will lead them to the payment gateway. Once at the payment gateway, they can select their preferred payment method. For simplicity, we'll use the UPI method and scan the QR code to make the payment. Upon successful payment, the booking is confirmed. The confirmation will automatically redirect back to the profile, and the booking information will be sent via email and WhatsApp. Opening the email, you can see that our booking session is confirmed. That's how it works. TalkToMe also has an Ask Me Anything feature, which allows your followers to ask you any questions for a fee. You have the ability to configure the app according to your needs. Simply return to the apps and click on the tab to open the TalkToMe app. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Ask Me. Click on Ask Me within the settings. You can enable this option and proceed to edit the title, description, and the amount you'd like to charge for the questions. You have the flexibility to offer this service for free or charge as per your discretion. After activating this module, it will automatically appear on your public profile. Users can click on Ask Me, which prompts them to type their questions. This platform also gathers the customer's name, email, and phone number before processing the payment. Once the payment is completed, you can view all the questions you've received and respond directly. All completed questions can be found under the Completed tab along with your earnings. It's important to note that this service has an expiration period. Questions must be answered within 4 days, or the payment is automatically refunded to the person who asked the question. You can also keep track of how many questions expired without a response and monitor your total earnings. Furthermore, you can view the reviews you've received and also request reviews. This sums up the functionality of the Ask Me module. In the one-on-one session, you can view the booking details. If you click Join Now, it will display the details of the person who booked the session, including their name, email, phone number, and the amount they paid. However, the Join link will only be enabled 10 minutes before the meeting time. You can access this information by clicking on More Info and view the same information again. Once the session is over, it will automatically move to the Completed tab, where you can view all your completed sessions, total earnings, and have the option to withdraw the money from the completed session. You can view the reviews in a similar manner as you did for Ask Me. Finally, the Settings tab is where you can schedule multiple meetings. All the meetings you create will be available on your public profile for your followers to book. In the public profile, followers can filter the sessions. For instance, if they want to see only the Ask Me Anything text, they can simply apply a filter. If they wish to ignore the text and only view all your one-on-one video bookings, they can click on One-on-One and it will display a list of all one-on-one sessions. Clicking on All will show a combination of both one-on-one and module sessions in a single view. This is how the Talk to Me feature in PickMyLink functions. We encourage you to create an account, explore this feature, and utilize this module for monetization. Thank you for watching.